Hello children, how are you? Now 5th class mathematics 8th chapter spaces and boundaries 2. Then before class 2 I am explaining only part 1. Now part 2, page number 80. Page number 80. Take out children. This one already in before class 2 I completed only. Divide these rectangles into two smaller rectangles of equal area. What is the area of the smaller rectangles? Already that one is completed. Next one. See, this question. See this. Divide these rectangles into two triangles with equal area. So, how to find this? How to divide? I am giving one example only here. Observe children. So, you take scale and keep in middle way and give and draw a line. So, two triangles only. Divide this rectangles, divide into two triangles. See here, equal area with equal area. So, equal triangles only. See here, what is the area of the triangles? What is the area of the triangles? First of all, children, observe this. This rectangle, area of the rectangle how much? 1, 2. 2 square centimeters. 2 square centimeters area of these rectangles. Understand children? Now, what is the area of the triangle? What is the area of the triangle? You observe here to here only. This triangle only. So, how much? 1. Here some will cutting only. Here will add it. So, 1 centimeters. So, in this triangle, 1 centimeters and this triangle also 1 centimeters. So, equal triangles only. So, area of the rectangle is 2 square centimeters. Area of the triangle is 1 square centimeters for this small rectangle too. Next, here you draw these diagrams in your notebook and draw properly and take and draw neatly this rectangle and down. You find the area, you write it. Okay children? Draw this compulsory in your notebook too. Here, see. So, this is also one of the rectangle only. This one. So, what is the area of this rectangle to? How much this area rectangle to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How much? 6. 6 square centimeters. This rectangle too. So now, let's divide into two equal parts. Let's now divide. Keep scale this like only. Draw one line. So, see children, draw this like line. Okay, each equal part to divide it. Now, let's know how much this rectangle? 6 square centimeters only. But triangle too? 1, 2, 3. Here also some will adding. Here will cutting. So this one place. Here up, 2, 3. Triangle. This triangle 3 centimeters. 3 square centimeters. Triangle area. Area of the area of triangle. Understand? 3. Here also same 3. Here this side 3, 4. 3 4s are 12. Rectangle 12 square centimeters. Here triangle 2. 1 2 3 4. Here we'll cutting, here we'll adding. 5 6. See 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 triangles. Triangles area 6. So understand, you observe children, whatever having rectangle 2, their half will cutting means in 2 parts to dividing into 2 parts triangles. So the area is equal only. So 6 plus 6, 12 only. Understand children? Here also you divide these rectangles into 4 triangles. You are divide into 4 triangles. So you this like will draw, keep scale and draw neatly. So 4 triangles will divide it and find the area. You only do it, okay? Next, page number 81. See children now. Here giving one fun with triangles. Madhu has divided the rectangle given below into 2 triangles. Here giving, so one rectangle is given and 2 triangles is there. Both the triangles look different. Let's find out their area is different. So both triangles is different only, not equal. See, this one here to having, this one here to will cutting only. So now find them. Okay. Now find it. The red triangle is a half of the big rectangle. So half of the big rectangle. So area of the big rectangle is how much? 20 square centimeters. So the area of the red triangle, half only, 20 by 20. Half means 20 by 2. How much? 2 ones are, 2 tens are. 10. So 10 square centimeters. Understand? Next, the green triangle contains halves of 1 square and 1 rectangle. 1 square and 1 rectangle. Now you find the area of the square and rectangle and then the area of the triangle. What is the area of the green triangle? Now you find it, this green triangle. 1 2 3. Here some will cutting only. Here will, sorry, not cutting. 3 4 5. This full squares only. Next, this half and this half. How much? This 2 6. This 2 7. Here some is there. Here some. 7 8. Here also some. Here and here 9. Here will having 10. So this area 10 square centimeters. Understand? See now, complete the shape according to its area. Shreya, due to sides of a shape, she asked Ravi to complete the shape with 2 more sides so that its area is 8 square centimeters. So you draw. Now see, draw this like only. Understand? 8 square centimeters. So that area is 8 square centimeters. Once you find 1, 2, 3, 4. Here to here 5. Here to here 6. Here of 7. Here of 8. 8 square centimeters only. Okay, good. Next page. Ravi completed the shape like this only. See. What is the area occupied? The blue triangle. And what is the area occupied? The pink triangle. You find it, okay, children? This and this also you find it. Next one. Here, see. Try this. Can you think of some other ways of completing the shape such that its area is 8 square centimeters? Same this also. You draw with scale to scale, keep and draw with pencil. Okay, children? See this also you draw this. See this picture. Observe this. See. This also, how many 8 square centimeters? 1, 2, 3. First of all, you draw line 4, here 5, here 6, here 7, here 8. Same like that only, this also same. Understand? This is one of the sides of a shape. Complete the shape so that its area is 6 square centimeters. So 6 square centimeters area. You find it, okay? Here to here, here to here. You keep scale. And draw proper way. Okay? And find it. Okay, children, this and this you only draw and complete it. This very easy only. See here. See, what is this? Complete the shape by drawing 2 more sides. So that area is 2 square centimeters. 2 square only. 1, 2 square centimeters. Whose slice is bigger? Vanaja and Girija bought aam papad, dried mango slice from a shop. Their pieces look like this. Vanaja slice 6 centimeters and 5 centimeters. See, this is a rectangle shape. Vanaja slice and this Girija slice also rectangle shape only 3 centimeters and 10 centimeters. Now let's find see, let's now find it here. Both felt their piece was bigger than the others. Can you think of some ways of finding out whether they are correct? The friend of Vanaja and Girija showed one way using small squares. See, these two friends will arguing only. What? My one is big, my one is big. So, one friend will come and showed one way. Squares will drawing and saying, see, the length of Vanaja's slice is 6 centimeters. Length is 6 centimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 square centimeters. So here, so 6 squares of side 1 centimeter be arranged along its length. Length is 6, width is 5. Here length, here length, here width. So here, so 5 squares only. Altogether, how many squares can be arranged on the arm papad? How many squares will be add? Draw the lines and counting only. So how many lines? 5, 6. See here. Draw the lines, this like, and counting will different only. So how many? 5 into 6, 30. So the area of the manajas is 30 square centimeters. It's silly to count them all, just multiply. 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. So in the same way, find the area of Girija's piece. What is the area of the Girija's piece? So here how many were? 1 2 3. 3, and here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10. 30. 3 tens are 30. 30 squares. So now is Vanaja's piece bigger than Girija's? No. Both piece is same. No, both pieces same. Understand, children? Next one. Cover with stamps. This stamp has an area of 4 square centimeters. Estimate how many such stamps will cover this big pink rectangle. They are having big pink rectangle. So check your estimate. How many stamps can be placed along the length of pink rectangle? How many stamps can be placed along the length of the pink rectangle? How many? Don't know, no? First you find. Now measure the length of pink rectangle. It is dash centimeters long. Length. What is the length? Here you find now. You take scale and keep this like only. You find it. How much? Here 12 centimeters long. How many stamps can be placed along the width of the pink rectangle? How many stamps can be placed along with the width of the pink rectangle? See here. Here how many? How much? 8. So in 2 centimeters to 1. So here 2, here 3, here to 4. How many? 4. Now measure how wide the rectangle. How wide the rectangle? 8 centimeters. How many stamps are needed to cover the rectangle? Here 12. How many stamps are needed? So here how many? 6 stamps. This side 4. This side 6 stumps. This side 4 stumps. 6 fours are. How many stumps are needed to cover the rectangle? 6 fours are. Say 24. 24. What is the area of the rectangle? 24. What is the area of the rectangle? So in one stump to 4 squares only. So here this side 12 centimeters, this side 8 centimeters. So here 12 into 8. 12 8s are 96. What is the... So here 12 8s are 96. Length is 12, width is 8. 8 centimeter is this 12 centimeters. I am doing this one also same. 5, 6. Same. 5, 6 are 30. Same is like only this also. 12 into 8. 12 8s are 96. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? You know perimeter? Total. This length of the perimeter. See, length of the rectangle. So here 12 centimeters. Here also 12 centimeters. Here in rectangle too, all sides are equal? No. Opposite sides only equal. Here 12 centimeters and here 12 centimeters. Here 8 centimeters. Here 8 centimeters. In rectangle to perimeter of the rectangle to one formula is there. 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. Why? Because this length also 2 times only. 12, 12. Width also 2 times. So this like only 2 into L equals to how much? 12 plus 8. 12 plus 8 how much? 20. 2 into 20. So how much the perimeter? 40. Here 12. Once you find same only. 40 centimeters. Here too will find 12 plus 8. You check it. This is right or wrong once. 12 plus 8. How much? How to find the perimeter? First of all, one side will take and second side will take. 12 plus 8. 13, 14. How much? 20. 20 plus 12. 20 plus 12. 32. 32 plus 8. 32 plus 8. 40. So, this is the simply way. Okay, 2 into L plus B. This is the perimeter of the rectangle formula. Okay, children, you remember it? Next one, next page. Area of bigger spaces. You must have seen a meter rod at the tailor shop. You might have also used a meter rope to measure various lengths in school. Now use a chalk and draw the square of length 1 meter at one corner of your classroom like Geeta has done. See. Estimate it and what is the area of the classroom. So your room only find it and write it. Okay, in your notebook too. Your room how many squares having, you find it. See children here, try this. If you were to find the area of each of the things written in the table below. Which unit would you choose? Tick the correct option. Right tick. Okay. Handkerchief. Square centimeters or square meters? Square centimeters only, not more big meters to not having only. Saree, meters. Saree, meters. Page of your book. Book page, how many? Meters only, not centimeters only. School land, square meters. Understand, children? Now keep tick and complete it. Okay, children?